Hi, back again. We're now on the road to Shigatse. Some construction workers trying to fix that road. What a wonderful road. This was the hotel we stayed at. A woman with her backpack. I don't think she wanted her photo taken. This is the market there. I think those are sheep. Young child. Beautiful hair the women had. This is a woman selling those boots, Tibetan boots. Yak butter. Here we are in the market again. So now this is Shigatse going back to Lhasa. There's a car that didn't make it. Roadkill. This is a ferry. Take you across. We didn't take that ferry, but that was a ferry that we passed. See the mountains in the distance? That was our car. That was I think it was a Jeep four-wheeler. A river that we passed by. Another shot of the river. Yaks out in the field. So now here's another monastery in Shigatse, the Tashili Humpo Monastery. Picture the front of the monastery. My friend Larry sitting in front of the door. Another shot of the monastery. Note the deer and the lotus flower. That's an old monk. Another shot of the monastery. They all had golden roofs. Very interesting. This is a stupa. So these are called stupa. And you can look that up and find out more information, but it's a Buddhist edifice. These are young monks, young boys becoming monks. This is looking out from the top of the temple. Another view out there. That's a stupa. Shot of the village. Now, this is a carpet factory that we visited, and I actually bought a carpet there. So the women are, so that is wool that they're sorting out, and they're the carpets for sale. And they're the women are weaving the carpet. See them, they're weaving the carpet. And she is spinning wool into yarn. This is a woman trimming a finished carpet. There's a woman with her child weaving a carpet. Two women working on a carpet. You can see them working on the carpet there. Another shot of the two women working on the carpet. This is the carpet that I bought. It's a small carpet. It's only maybe by 3 by 3, and it's in our front entryway here in Kona. And this is another Tibetan, it's a side table that we have in one of our bedrooms here in Kona. So I'm going to stop there. There's a couple of videos here, but I'm not going to show you those videos. But I would encourage you, this is a new train that wasn't there when we went to Tibet in 2001, but it's a new train that connects China with Tibet. And I would encourage you to go back and watch that video at your leisure. But I'm going to stop here.